Hi guys, we come to the last step of the assembly. Install Pen tool and expression board cover. Attach Pen tool to this bracket with the base parallel to this bracket. The side with short servo arm should face right. After that, secure it with screw. If you remove the servo arm after rotating it, you need to stop the assembly to center the servo. For detailed instruction, please check the previous video. Keep going. Mount the camera to the pen tool. Align the base of camera bracket. As the same, do not rotate the servo and remove it. If you do this, you also need to center it. Secure it with screw. Then insert the rivet into this hole. Next, install this component to the car. Align it with these 4 holes on the car. Before this, you need to connect wire of ultrasonic sensor to RIC port on expression board. Now you can secure it with screws. Then, connect wire of the servo on the top to number 1 PWM servo port. Red wire connects to positive terminal, brown wire connects to negative terminal, and yellow wire connects to signal terminal. Do not invert terminals, otherwise servo will be damaged. The other wire should be connected to number 2 PWM port. Connect camera cable to USB port. After wires are connected, organize these wires. Pay attention, do not make the wire too short. You can rotate the servo to find its limit position. Lastly, mount the expression board cover to the car. Align the columns with these 4 holes. Okay, TurboPi is complete.